But like, is code churn up bad?
Yes, because
Right.
what
Okay.
it tends to be is that in very high quality code bases, you'll see 3%, 4% code
Okay.
churn
Okay.
when they're at scale, right? This is like millions of lines of code. In poor code bases or poorly maintained code bases, or early stage companies that are just changing a lot at once, you'll see numbers like 10 or 20%. Now, if you're Atlassian and you have 10% code churn, that's a huge, huge problem because that means that you're just wasting so much time. If you're an early stage startup, code churn's less important. This is why we don't really like report that to every team, just enterprises.
Any other like measurements are popular? That, I mean, this is nice that I'm hearing about code churn, but like, what else are enterprise VPs of Eng, CTOs? What do they look at?
For the enterprise, I think the biggest thing, because there's so many tricks and different dances you can do to like justify ROI.
Number
with,
of commits,
like number of commit, like
lines of code.
And it's
Dora
just,
metrics
like,
are usually popular.
And at the end of the day, like what we initially went really hard in all the metric stuff.
Yeah.
What we found is that oftentimes, if they liked it, they wouldn't care. And if they didn't like it, they wouldn't care. And so at the reality, like at the end of the day, no one really cares about the metrics. What people really care about is like developer sentiment.